Hello students and welcome to your channel. So students, today we are going to study area related to circle part 2. In part 1 video, I have mentioned that this this chapter covers 3 concepts. The one was perimeter and area of a circle, which we have discussed in part 1 video, and the link of part 1 video is shared in the description box. You can see from there. In this video, we are going to discuss or we are going to study about area of sector and segment. So before coming on to areas of sector and segment, I would like to clear what is sector and what is segment. See, this is a circle. So if I have drawn like this is radius of a circle. So this part is known as sector because it is included in certain angle, that is theta. So this sector we call it as what? Minor sector. So this will be what? Major sector. Okay. Then now when we have to find out the area of sector. So area of sector, whatever sector it may be, we only have to apply formula, that is theta by 360 into pi r square. Now if I am saying कि ये हमने sector minor sector की area निकाली, so minor sector की if I am finding out the area for minor sector, so theta जो हम यहाँ पर रखेंगे that will be theta of minor sector only. But if I am finding the area of major sector, तो हम जो थीटा रखेंगे दैट विल बी फॉर द मेजर सेक्टर ओनली. अब देखिए, अगर मैंने माइनर सेक्टर की एरिया निकाल ली, सो देन वी कैन डायरेक्टली ऑल्सो अप्लाई फॉर्मूला फॉर मेजर सेक्टर. मेजर सेक्टर के लिए वी कैन डू फुल सर्कल, एरिया ऑफ सर्कल माइनस एरिया ऑफ माइनर सेक्टर फॉर मेजर सेक्टर. सिमिलरली अगर हमने मेजर सेक्टर की एरिया निकाली है एंड देन वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द एरिया ऑफ माइनर सेक्टर, सो वी कैन अप्लाई फॉर्मूला लाइक दिस ओनली. नाउ द नेक्स्ट कॉन्सेप्ट, सिमिलर इज द केस विथ पेरीमीटर ऑल्सो. इफ दे आर सेइंग पेरीमीटर ऑफ सेक्टर, सो पेरीमीटर ऑफ सेक्टर के लिए आप ध्यान दीजिएगा, ये जो पेरीमीटर का अगर रहेगा फॉर्मूला, सो दिस पेरीमीटर कंप्राइज ऑफ दिस पार्ट. सो पेरीमीटर ऑफ एनी ऑफ दिस सेक्टर, either it is minor or it is major sector, formula is theta by 360 into 2 pi r. But these 2 r will be added to it because perimeter is sum of all sides. So r plus this side. तो इस पार्ट का जो पेरीमीटर रहता है, इस पार्ट का जो सर्कमफ्रेंस रहता है, this is theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Again same thing. अगर माइनर सेक्टर है तो थीटा विल बी ऑफ माइनर सेक्टर एंड इफ इट इज मेजर सेक्टर, सो थीटा हम वहाँ पर रखेंगे मेजर सेक्टर का. दिस इज फर्स्ट कॉन्सेप्ट, दैट इज एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर. नाउ एरिया ऑफ सेगमेंट. सी दिस इज अ सर्कल. अगर मैंने यहाँ से कॉर्ड ड्रॉ किया, सो दिस पार्ट इज माइनर सेगमेंट. ऑन द अदर हैंड आपको ये मेजॉरिटी दिख रही है, सो दिस विल बी व्हाट? मेजर सेगमेंट. नाउ सी, अगर मैं यही डायग्राम फिर से ड्रॉ करूं, दिस इज आवर माइनर सेक्टर, बट अगर मैंने इसको ज्वाइन कर दिया तो दिस विल बी व्हाट? माइनर सेगमेंट. सो वी कैन से दैट एरिया ऑफ माइनर सेगमेंट इज इक्वल्स टू व्हाट? एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर, बिकॉज दिस इज फुल सेक्टर, ये पूरा सेक्टर है. एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर माइनस एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल. एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर माइनस एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल. नाउ सेक्टर की एरिया हमको मालूम है, दैट इज थीटा बाय 360 पाई आर स्क्वायर. एंड ट्राइंगल, ऑब्वियसली ये ट्राइंगल है, तो इस ट्राइंगल के लिए हम रखेंगे हाफ बेस इंटू हाइट. सो दिस इज बेस एंड दिस विल बी हाइट. Accordingly, now we'll calculate, we'll solve this part. हम trigonometry यहाँ पर apply करेंगे and this is 90 and this is theta by 2. Accordingly, we'll find this angle and then we'll find out the value of base and height in terms of sine and cos. मान लीजिए this is theta by 2. So sine theta by 2 will be perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is r. So accordingly जब हम ये values यहाँ put करते हैं, like base की value अगर मैं बोलूँ b by 2, because it is b by 2, so b by 2, that means sine in theta by 2 will be b by 2 upon, that is base, sorry, perpendicular upon hypotenuse r. So b, value of b will be what? B will be 2r sine theta by 2. Similarly, we'll calculate the value of height. So cos theta by 2, we know cos theta by 2 is h by r, base by hypotenuse. So here h will be r cos theta by 2. So we'll put the values of b and h over here. So the formula which we'll get, we don't have to derive this formula, but this is only for the sake of your understanding that how this formula came. This is theta by 360 pi r square minus half base is 2r sine theta by 2 and h is r cos theta by 2. So this 2 and this 2 get cancelled. Thus we got theta by 360 pi r square minus, now it is r square sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2. यहाँ पर अब एक चीज़ बस याद रखनी कि ये जो फॉर्मूला होता है ये किसका फॉर्मूला होता है? हाफ साइन थीटा का. सो थीटा बाय 360 पाई आर स्क्वायर माइनस हाफ आर स्क्वायर साइन थीटा. इसकी जगह हमने पुट किया हाफ साइन थीटा. सो वी हैव टॉक्ड अबाउट एरिया ऑफ माइनर सेक्टर, दैट इज थीटा बाय 360 इंटू पाई आर स्क्वायर. मेजर सेक्टर की अगर निकालनी है तो फुल सर्कल में से विल सब्ट्रैक्ट माइनर सेक्टर. देन वी हैव टॉक्ड अबाउट एरिया ऑफ माइनर सेगमेंट. तो माइनर सेगमेंट की एरिया वी ओनली हैव टू लर्न दिस पार्ट, दैट इज थीटा बाय 360 पाई आर स्क्वायर माइनस हाफ आर स्क्वायर साइन थीटा. नाउ we'll look on to the questions. How the questions comes from this concept. Basically they ask only these four things only, that is calculate area of minor sector, major sector, area of minor segment, area of major segment. So now moving on to the question part. So now the question is, find area of sector of a circle with radius 4 centimeter and of angle 30 degree. Also find area of corresponding major sector. When they have mentioned that find area of sector, that means we have to find only minor sector. Now what things we are provided with? R is equals to 4 centimeter, theta is 30 degree. We have seen in concept that if we have to calculate area of minor sector, so that will be equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta is what? 30 degree by 360 degree. Pi 3.14 will take. R is already given, that is 4 square, 4 into 4. Thus 31 are 36 are 360, and जब हम इसको पूरा solve करेंगे so we'll get approximate 4.19 centimeter square. Now we have to calculate area of major sector. See, this is our diagram. Okay, they have given radius is 4 centimeter, angle is 30 degree. Now we have to calculate, we have calculated area of minor sector. Now what we have to calculate? We have to calculate area of major sector. We have two options. What can we do? We have two methods, I mean. First, we can take out this angle. So this angle will be, this pole is 360, so this will be what? 330. So we can apply this formula, but angle will be what? 330. Now the second method which we can see is area of major sector will be full circle, that is pi r square minus area of minor sector. Area of minor sector. Now full circle को अगर हम सॉल्व करें 3.14 into 4 का स्क्वायर इज this is 3.14 into 4 का square we'll get 16 minus 4.19. So when we'll solve this again we'll get 46.1 centimeter square. पहले हम इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, then whatever answer will come उसको हम इससे माइनस करेंगे. So this is how we have calculated area of minor sector and area of major sector. Now coming on to the next question. The question is find area of segment if this radius is given 21 centimeter and angle is given 120 degree. What we have to calculate? We have to calculate area of segment. So now we have two methods. Either we can apply this method, that is area of segment. अगर हम यहाँ देखें तो it is what? This full sector minus triangle. So we can write area of sector minus area of triangle AOB. This perpendicular line will draw, that is M, area of triangle AOB. Now, and second method is we can directly apply formula. area of segment का formula हम apply कर सकते हैं. Formula is theta by 360 pi r square minus half r square sin theta. I'll be telling by this method also. This is the formula method and this is through diagram we can solve it. Now see, we know the area of segment, area of sector. Formula of area of sector is theta by 360 into pi r square minus area of triangle. This triangle will be half AB into, we can write OM. Okay, now we have to calculate this AB and OM as I explained, and when we are taking out this formula, which concept I explained, that only will apply over here. So theta is 120 degree by 360 into, we can write it over here 22 by 7 also we can write, and we can write 3.14 also. So we'll write it over here 22 by 7 because this 7 will be cancelled out with this radius minus half. So now I am calculating over here the value of AB and OM. See, we can write AB as twice of AM. AB को we can write twice of AM. So this angle, क्योंकि bisect कर रहा है, this angle will be 60 degree. So sin 60 degree. This angle is what? 60 degree. So sin 60 degree क्या होता है? √3 by 2 and this is perpendicular by hypotenuse. So we can write AM by OA. So AM will be OA तो 21 है, तो it will be 21 √3 by 2. Now since we have to calculate here AB, so AB will be twice of AM, so it will be 2 into 21 √3 by 2. This 2 and this 2 get cancelled, so AB came up to 21 √3. Now we'll calculate OM in same manner. Now we'll apply cos 60 because cos 60 is based by hypotenuse. This is OM by 21. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Thus we'll get OM will be 21 by 2. We have got here the value of AB and the value of OM. We were talking in which triangle? In triangle OAM. Now we'll substitute these values, the value of AB and OM in this equation. So AB is 21 √3 and OM is 21 by 2. Now if we'll solve this, 0 and 0 get cancelled, 12 1s are 12 3s are, 3 1s are 3 7s are, 7 and 7 get cancelled. जब हम इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 22 into 21 we'll get 462 minus this 2 and this 2 will be 4, 21 into 21 will get 441 by 4 into root 3. So this is the answer if we are not applying formula, this formula. But if we are applying this formula, so we can directly put these values over here. Theta will be 120 by 360, 22 by 7, 21 into 21 because radius is 21, half r square. R is what? 21. 21 square, so we can write 21 into 21. Now here one thing we have to keep in mind, sin 120. We have read in trigonometry chapter, if अगर theta 90 से बड़ा है तो we can write sin 120 as cos, sorry, this only can be written as sin 90 plus 30. And we know sin 90 plus theta is cos theta, so it will be cos 30 and value of cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So sin 120 is equals to cos 30, that is what? Root 3 by 2, and hence when we'll solve it, 12 ones are 12 threes are 36, 3 7 are 7, we'll get 462 minus 21 into 21, 451 root 3 by 4. Hence answer is same in both the cases, only the methods are different. This method only I have told you when we were deriving this formula. So you can apply any of these methods. Now we'll look on to the next question. Now the question is, find area of quadrant of circle whose circumference is 22 centimeter. अब उन्होंने हमको रेडियस भी नहीं दिया. They also haven't mentioned angle over here. So if they mention that it is a quadrant, तो quadrant का मतलब होता है circle is divided into 4 parts and we have to find this quadrant value. So quadrant का angle क्या होगा? 90 degree. Very simple. So theta हमको क्या मिल गया? 90 degree. Circumference is 22. So we have read in previous concept that what is circumference? 2 pi r. This is 22. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equals to 22. This 22 and this 22 get cancelled. R will be what? 7 by 2. Now we have to calculate area of quadrant. So we'll apply formula. Area of quadrant का मतलब है that is area of sector only we have to calculate. So area of quadrant will be theta by 360 into pi r square. So theta is what? 90 degree by 360 pi r square will take 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. This 0 and this 0 get cancelled out. 9 ones are 9 fours are 7 से 7 गया 2 ones are 2 11s are. So we have got what? 11 into 7 77, 4 into 2 8. So this is quadrant of a circle. So this is how we have found how can we calculate area of quadrant. ये ध्यान रखिएगा, if they have mentioned quadrant that means theta will be 90 degree. Now we'll move on to the next question. So now the question is, length of minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. That means radius is what? 14 centimeter. Find area swept by hand in 5 minutes. अब उन्होंने हमको angle नहीं mention किया. So how can we find angle? So they have mentioned us one thing, that is area swept by minute hand in 5 minutes. देखिए this is a clock. This is 12 and 12 के बाद जब वो minute hand 1 में आता है तो it is 5 minute, 2 में आता है 10 minutes and 3 में आता है तो 15 minutes. तो with 3 the minute hand makes angle what? 90 degree. So in 5 minutes, it means in 15 minutes it is making 90 degree. So in 5 minutes angle will be what? 30 degree. So theta is 30 degree. Now the question is very simple, because they have told area swept, that means they are asking area of sector only. So whatever theta they have mentioned, we'll take it. Theta by 360 formula is into pi r square. So theta by 360 into pi, that is 22 by 7, r square, that is 14 into 14. So theta is 30 over here. 0 and 0 will be cancelled out. 3 1s are 3 12, 2 6s are 2 11s are, 2 3s are 2 7s are, and nothing can be cancelled out. 7 will be cancelled to 7 only. So 11 into 14 if we'll do, we'll get 154 upon 3 centimeter square. So this is how we have completed with the part 2 video, in which we have discussed area of sector, area of minor sector, area of major sector, area of segments also, that is minor and major. And also we have solved the questions related to these concepts. Hope you guys are finding videos to be helpful. So please do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.